Padanta Govi, Disatanta Mishram, everything is discussed in Bhagavad. For the materialist person, Padanta Govi, Padanta means unbridled, uncontrolled. Go means Indriya or senses. Materialistic person, they cannot control their senses. They are servant of the senses, go das. Go means Indriya and das means servant. So, when you come to the position of controlling the senses, then you become Goswami. That is Goswami. Goswami means controlling the senses, who has completely controlled the senses. Swami or Goswami. Swami also means that, and Goswami also means the same thing. Similarly, Adanta Gopi, Disatanta Mishra, uncontrolled senses, they are going. It is not that Krishna is sending them. He is making his own path here. Either back to home, back to Godhead, or go right down to the darkest region of hell. Two things are there. And that opportunity is in the human form of God. You can select.